Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing CopsnRobbers Parkour, and that's it. We're just playing CopsnRobbers Parkour. I know you guys wanted a part 2 on that one, but it's a little too hard for me. Only a little. Trust me. It's not like it's way harder. It's just a little bit. Just a little bit. That map is the hardest map I've ever played, so we're playing this. Sorry about that. I know you really wanted to see me suffer on that level, on that map, but can't do it. If this video gets 8 likes, I will do it. This map isn't easy either. I played this a lot though. But I haven't played this in a while. Over here. Here. Label face! I do. Over here. Damn it! I was going a little too fast. Again, too fast. Alright, I'm going slow this time. Overjumped it. And here and there. Not so hard. I just suck. And sucking at a game is okay. Oh. Ooh, that was a close call. And I am at the next checkpoint. Wait. Okay. And over here, above that, in here, that way, through here, and bam. Bam. And bam. Really thought I was gonna make it in there, but over here, through here, bam. Alright, next checkpoint. Here we are. I need to jump, and I forgot. And there. No one saw that. That was just a test to see if I remember where to go. Why can't I make this jump? There. Finally. Okay, do I want to go from there or here? Let's go from here, it's easier. Bam, bam. Oh. Alright, if I die here, I go all the way back. That was risky. That was risky. Just so you know, there's only 3 checkpoints. If I fall now, I go all the way back. And I'm almost at the end. I really just went for it. I didn't know that was the way I was supposed to go. Well, now I have to do the whole thing again. Great. I'm so happy. I'm not. I was being sarcastic. Alright, this video has started, and I thought, no, I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that. That is too much. Alright, starting from now, if I fall 3 times, the video is over. Great. And I'm starting to give up. One life left. Great. Now if I fall, the entire video is gone. I'm not taking any risk. I'm alright. Hey! Ho! 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 Yeah! Ho! 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 Damn it! Hi! There. Way! Gaku! Yeah! Oh! Oh, I really thought I missed that. Oh, that was a risky and insane jump from your boy Panda Game. Can you? Why? And the video's over. Unless I keep... Video's officially over. Bye-bye.